And we're filming. Okay. Right. Oh my god, it's actually really hard to go from like silence to speaking straight away sometimes. Um I have a bit of a headache. I started about maybe 20 minutes ago. Although time is weird because that did not feel like 2 hours. Is that 2 hours? Eckhart Tolle said something really interesting recently in a video where he was talking about um, meditation when it works, and it should, is about being present in the moment, right? And yeah, and a mistake that a lot of meditators make, and I think I realized that I was and had been doing this thing um, was going when if I meditate well and like practice this thing enough, and then I will eventually achieve this awakened state, right? And that is actually a hindrance to being present. So it's a really weird, actually quite interesting, because the more you get present, the more you feel this energy coming in and taking over and making life way easier, because moment to moment is that's kind of, it feels, you're held, and it just feels a little bit easier. um, for me, I just feel through doing this a little bit more like valuable. Like I just feel like I deserve to be here, a little bit more, which is good. But it's difficult to do that and then also not kind of fall into the trap of like, and if I do this more in like a year, I'll be so much more confident and like assured, So like, I'm trying to stay as present as I can be. Yeah. And I am going to implement this kind of into as many parts of my life as I can. Um, because if I was meditating 2 hours, like that's great, but then if I was going and eating junk food and then watching loads of dramatic films, then and I do like watching dramatic films just because of the drama, not the drama, but the acting and the performances, and like I love it. It's not that I just want to distract from myself. Sometimes that has been the case, but I think films is a different thing because that's my arena. I want to. Well, it hasn't been my arena as much as I would have liked it to have been. But I'm only 22, and I've already been to Cannes at a feature film when I was 18. So like, it is my arena. It's doing this is funny because it's something that my ego can't really comprehend, that I can every day just record myself speaking and some sort of thing of value will be said every day. Like, it's like, how I can't say good things every day. Like, I'll just run out of something to say eventually, right? But maybe not. Today, however, I think I think I'm done. I went to sleep at 3 a.m. last night because I had the bed to myself for the first time in a good while, and I was like, cool, I can finish that dramatic film that I um had started. Ooh, and it was dramatic. Oh my god. Yeah. So when I was talking about implementing this meditation into other aspects of my life, I think what I mean by that is, well, one of the things that I mean is sleep. I want to be really well slept all the time, and it's not always very easy because of the work that I do. But that's okay. Do my best, eh? I did not feel like 2 hours. Oh my god. I'm yawning. Okay. Yeah. This video is going to be called Yawning. Love you. See you tomorrow.